Yes, in this lesson we are going to study the first pages of Unit 8 and Unit 9. Okay, the first one, Unit 8, Crimes and Criminals. Yep, on this page you see there are some photos. Okay, then do any one of you, okay, recognize of these film characters? Let's see them again. Who is that? She is the Catwoman. Yeah, okay. The second one, he is Robin Hood, Kevin Costner. And the third one, Ocean's 11. Okay. And one more question about them. What is that? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? What do you think about this question and these movies? Okay. They are all involved in theft. They are all involved in theft. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to talk about the nouns and the verbs. You see there is a category for us: crimes, criminals, and the verbs. What are we going to do here? We are just filling in the blanks by using the verbs and the nouns, but the suitable ones, of course. Yep. Crimes. You know, arson. What does arson mean? It means like setting fire somewhere or something intentionally. Setting fire somewhere or something intentionally. Okay, arson. What about the burglar? Burglar is someone who breaks into house. And mugging is attacking and robbing someone. Attacking and robbing someone. And murder, you know, killing. Theft, okay, the action. Thief is someone who steals something. Yes, then what about drug dealing? First of all, let me explain their meanings. Then we are going to fill in the gaps, okay? Drug dealing is selling illegal drugs. Okay, selling illegal drugs. Looting is stealing in a war. Do not forget, stealing in a war. And what about robber? Robber is someone who steals by force, by using violence. Shoplifting, stealing something in a shop. Smuggling, okay, smuggling is the action, the movement of goods into country or out of country, okay? Yep. When, yes, we told thief. Vandalism is damage, giving damage, okay? Now, let's start. Arson, crime. What about criminal? Let's see the words above. Arson, the criminals, arsonists. Okay, set fire, as I told you before. And the verb burgle. Okay, what about the crime? Burglary. Criminal, burglar. Okay, and what did I tell you for the burglar? Break into house. Okay? Yes. Drug dealer. What do they do? Sell. Okay. Looting, loot. Sell. Steal in a war. Steal in a war. Yes. Verb, mug. Crimes, mugging. What about criminal? Mugger. 9. What about 9? Crimes, okay. Let's check it. Is it murder? Yes. What about the criminal? Murderer. The verb, kill someone. Yeah. Shoplifting, shoplifter. What does a shoplifter do? He or she steals from a shop. Okay. Smuggling, smuggler, smuggle. Okay, we said. What about the crime, theft, the criminal, thief? Plural one. Okay. Vandalism, vandal, and the verb damage. Okay. Damage. Yep. Let's go with the page 79. You see, yes, you see there are some people in this photo. Then my question is that where are the people and what are they doing? You can get help by using the words in exercise 2. Okay, you can get help by using the words in exercise 2. Yes. Photo A, B, C, and D. Where are the people and what are they doing? Let's start with the girl. Okay. The girl might be in a shop and she's shoplifting some sunglasses. Okay. She's shoplifting some sunglasses. And what about photo B? The person is in a jeweler's shop. He or she is trying to steal necklace. Okay? And photo C. In this photo, where is the man? He is outside the house. He is outside the house and he's trying to break into house. He is outside the house and he is trying to break into house. Okay? And the last one. Yes, you see the boy is in the street and he is vandalizing, giving damage to the car. Okay? Now we have a listening part. This listening part is about 3 news reports. Okay, then we will match these 3 news reports with the photos above. Okay.
Lesson 8A, exercises 4 and 6. 1. Police have launched an investigation into burglaries at homes in the town centre. They believe that 1 or 2 burglars are responsible for all of the crimes. According to a police spokesman, they have searched a house near the park and interviewed a suspect. They have not made any arrests, but believe they are close to solving the crime. Meanwhile, they have asked homeowners to take extra care with security and to lock doors and windows when they go out. 2.
Yes. Which photo do you match the first news? The first news. It's photo C. Okay.
Thieves have broken into a jeweller's in the town centre and escaped with watches and bracelets worth £500,000. The crime took place last night, just after midnight, in the West Green shopping centre, where there are also a number of bars and restaurants. The police have appealed for witnesses, as they believe several members of the public were in the shopping centre when the crime took place. They are also studying CCTV footage for clues.
CCTV footage. Yep. Which photo do you match the second news? Of course, it's what? It's photo B. How do we know that it's photo B? At the beginning of the news, we heard the place jeweler's shop. Okay. What about D? A. Or okay, we only have 2 photos. Which is it?
3. People in Park Hill are unhappy about vandalism in their part of town. According to Jeff Burton, who runs a hairdresser's, the problem has got worse in recent months. Vandals have broken his shop window 5 times in a month, he claims. They have also smashed car windows and damaged bus stops and phone boxes. Police say they are close to identifying the culprits and expect to make several arrests over the next few days. They have also promised to patrol the area at night to prevent future crimes.
Yep. The last news is about photo D. Why? How do we know that it's D? Because at the beginning of the news again, we heard he's vandalizing the cars at the streets and the bus stops, okay? It's about photo D, and photo A is extra. Okay, now, I want you, I want you to go to Unit 9. Yep. You see, the unit is about the gadgets, okay? Devices. What are they? You see, there are some examples of it. The first one, you see, what is that? Dog water fountain. What about B? It's table tennis door. And what about C? It's 90-degree glasses. And the last one, stash sandals. Yes, then they are all the gadgets. Then I want you to tell me, are they good or bad ideas? What do you think about these gadgets? For me, of course, they are really practical, especially the first one, the water fountain, okay? And we know that the gadgets all make our lives easier. We shouldn't forget that. Which is your favorite? Which is your favorite? For me, table tennis door is my favorite. You know, when you get bored, it's really practical. It's really practical. Then, in this vocabulary part, there are some materials. Let's listen to them.
Unit 9, Lesson 9A, Exercise 2. Aluminium, cardboard, ceramic, concrete, copper, glass, gold, iron, leather, nylon, paper, plastic, rubber, steel, stone, wood.
Yep, we all listened. Okay. Then,
Unit 9,
then it's over for today.